All right, this one said to solve it by square root method, so we don't have to set it equal to 0. We're going to try to get the squared term by itself. So we multiplied it by 64 and subtracted 10. Add 10 both sides, or just move it over and change the sign. Divide both sides by 64, and my square root is isolated. Next step is to take the square root of both sides and make it plus or minus. Now we can't leave these radicals in unsimplified. Fortunately, we know, sorry for my stumbling, but fortunately we know what the square root of 49 and 64 are. So this is done. Um, if there was a more complex problem, we would split it into two equations and solve it. But this one is done. All right, so just to review, we isolated the square root by adding 10 and dividing by 64. We took the square root of both sides, made it plus and minus, simplified our radicals if we can, or if we need to, and then this one's done. But if there was more going on here, we would split it into two equations and solve both of those equations.